Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm really excited about the video we have today. We'll be unboxing the Huawei Mate 20X and the Huawei M Pen. Now, I got the M Pen when I bought the Mate 20X. This is the official global version. I bought it with my own money. Super hard to find right now. I found it over at Funky Shop. I'll leave a link in the description down below. They actually send you the M Pen for free. So the phone is going to cost you about $940, $950 US. But you get the M Pen included for free, which is between $50 and $70, depending on where you can find it. It's super hard to find right now, just like the phone. But anyway, enough of that chit chat. Let's go ahead and dive in. Huawei Mate 20X is what we're going to do first. This is the Midnight Blue variant, again, the official global version. And oh man, is this thing a monster. That phone is humongous. Now I've got a OnePlus 6T right here for size comparison. Look at that. Just swallows it. I mean, they got a similar style notch, but man, this thing just swallows it. So let's go ahead and take off this protective plastic. Alright, so if you just saw, we got some protective plastic on the front, but I don't know if I can get the camera to pick this up or not. There is still a screen protector on there by default. Now this back, if you guys haven't heard about this yet, it's glass, but it's supposed to be scratch-proof glass. It's just textured on the back, so I'm really interested to see how that ends up holding up. Let's see what else we get in the box. File that to the side. Alright, SIM injection key, and as usual with Chinese phones, you get a nice silicone case. It's clear. We do get an international charging brick, which kind of sucks, but hey, whatever. USB-C cable. And some headphones. How thoughtful, because this phone does have a headphone jack. Alright, so let's put all this crap to the side real quick and unbox the Mate Pen, the M Pen. Now I'm just going to show you guys the size of this M Pen. I wanted to make this video as short as possible, so I'll have more content on the Mate 20X here very soon. The M Pen, of course, is the most difficult thing to unbox that we have. Alright, usual books and stuff, and here we go. Now it's about the size, I guess, of an Apple Pencil. Thickness wise, it is shorter. There's a nice little button there that is clicky. You can clip it onto something there with that. There's no spot to hide this inside the phone like a Galaxy Note, but it's supposed to carry some of the same functionality. And right there, we do have the USB-C charging spot. Now one more thing I want to highlight on this phone, I really like the power button over here, it's red. I just think it's a cool little touch. Adds a little bit more color to the device. Well, that's it as far as the unboxing goes. I'm going to have a lot more content on this phone coming up really soon, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel if you want to check that out. I mean, just look at the back of this thing. It's a really cool blue, and if that is actually scratch proof, I'm going to love this phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.